Imagine waking up on a quiet mountain road, the sky painted in soft gold, and your entire home is moving with you. Today on Road Trip Vlogs, we're stepping inside a machine that's not just a camper truck, but a bold vision of the future. This is the all-new 2026 Sky Rover X Motorhome. And once you see what it can do, road trips will never feel the same again. From the first glance, the Sky Rover X looks powerful, modern, and ready for adventure. Its muscular stance, sharp aerodynamic lines, and high clearance butt make it clear that this motorhome is built for more than highways. It's designed to conquer mountains, deserts, and long open roads without hesitation. The front design feels aggressive yet premium, giving you the confidence that this truck can handle any journey you throw at it. Under the hood, the 2026 Sky Rover X delivers serious performance. The advanced engine is tuned for long-distance travel, heavy loads, and smooth power delivery. Whether you're climbing steep hills or cruising on endless highways, the ride feels stable, controlled, and surprisingly quiet. This motorhome isn't just about power, it's about comfort on every mile. Step inside, and the atmosphere completely changes. The interior feels more like a luxury apartment than a camper truck. Soft ambient lighting, premium materials, and a smart open layout instantly make you feel at home. The living area features a comfortable sofa, a modern entertainment system, and large windows that let the outside world become part of your journey. Every detail is designed to make life on the road relaxing and enjoyable. The kitchen is compact but incredibly functional, equipped with modern appliances, smart storage, and enough space to prepare meals just like you would at home. The sleeping area offers a cozy bed with thoughtful design touches that maximize comfort and privacy. Even the bathroom feels well planned, with clean finishes and practical space management that makes long trips easy. What truly sets the Sky Rover X apart is its smart technology. From advanced driver assistance systems to energy-efficient power solutions, this motorhome is built for the future. Solar support, intelligent controls, and off-grid capabilities mean you can travel further and stay long without worries. The 2026 Sky Rover X Motorhome isn't just a vehicle, it's a lifestyle. It's about freedom, exploration, and turning every road into a destination. If you dream of traveling without limits, this machine might just be your perfect companion. Stay tuned to Road Trip Vlogs, because adventures like this are only just beginning.